If you're serious about upgrading your toolbox, maximizing performance, and getting every job done faster and smarter, you're in the right place. Today we're breaking down the best Lowe's hardware and tools you must own now to get the job done. From powerhouse combo kits to heavy-duty storage solutions and pro-level equipment, these are the tools that separate weekend DIYers from true project finishers. Whether you're building, fixing, upgrading, or expanding your workshop, these picks deliver power, precision, and serious value. DEWALT Elite 40-piece drill bit set. Perfect for quick projects, the DEWALT Elite 40-piece drill bit set delivers high performance and precision. The set includes popular sizes for everyday drilling needs, compact and durable, it's easy to store in your workshop or toolbox, and ready for all your drilling tasks. DEWALT 20V MAX 2 Tool Brushless Power Tool Combo Kit. Get the DEWALT 20V MAX 2 2-Tool Brushless Combo Kit with batteries, charger, and soft case. Brushless motors offer longer runtime, increased durability, and powerful performance. Perfect for professionals or DIYers, these tools handle drilling, fastening, and other projects efficiently with consistent precision. DEWALT 7¾ Circular Saw Kit. Cut through wooden materials easily with the DEWALT XR 7¾ Circular Saw Kit. Featuring a powerful motor and precision blade, it delivers smooth, accurate cuts every time. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for woodworking, framing, or any job requiring clean, reliable cuts. Kobalt 24V 4-Tool Combo Kit. The Kobalt 24V 4-Tool Combo Kit includes a drill, driver, impact driver, RO sander, and 4.5-inch circular saw, plus batteries and charger. Built for efficiency and versatility. Perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. This kit provides the power and portability to tackle a wide range of projects. Craftsman RP V20 Drill Driver or Impact Kit. Choose between the Craftsman RP V20 half-inch drill driver or quarter-inch impact driver, each including battery, charger, and soft bag. Both tools are lightweight, durable, and powerful. Ideal for small or large projects, they deliver professional-level performance in a convenient compact package. DEWALT 20V 2-pack lithium-ion battery and charger. Stock up on power with this DEWALT 20V 2-pack battery and charger starter kit. For a limited time, receive 3 free select DEWALT power tools, giving you everything needed to start multiple projects. Perfect for expanding your tool collection or giving yourself extra backup batteries, this deal combines convenience and maximum value. Craftsman Tool Storage. Organize your workshop with up to $60 off select Craftsman tool storage. Available in multiple sizes, these chests and cabinets feature durable steel construction, smooth glide drawers, and secure storage for all your hand and power tools. Perfect for garage, shop, or home use, they keep your workspace tidy and your tools easy to access whenever you need them. Craftsman 52-inch storage. Maximize your storage with up to $80 off select Craftsman 52-inch storage units. With multiple drawers, heavy-duty construction, and smooth casters, these cabinets keep your tools organized and accessible. Ideal for professional shops or home garages, these large storage units provide a durable solution for safely storing tools and equipment. DEWALT Stealthsonic Quiet 12-gallon 5.5 horsepower wet dry shop vacuum. Keep your workspace clean with the DEWALT Stealthsonic 12-gallon wet dry shop vacuum. Ultra-quiet operation, strong suction, and a durable design make cleanup fast and easy. Perfect for both workshop and job site use, this vacuum handles wood, metal, and debris with ease while minimizing noise disruption. Kobalt 46-inch drawer mobile workstation. Organize and transport your tools with a Kobalt 46-inch drawer mobile workstation. With 9 drawers, durable construction, and smooth rolling casters, this workstation keeps tools secure and portable. Perfect for mechanics, DIYers, or professionals needing mobile, organized storage, it ensures your tools are always within reach. Craftsman 6-gallon portable electric 150 PSI Pancake air compressor. Power up your air tools with this Craftsman 6-gallon portable Pancake air compressor. Compact, lightweight, and capable of 150 PSI. It's perfect for inflating tires, running nail guns, or other shop projects. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the portable design makes it easy to store or move around your workspace. Husqvarna 150 BT Backpack Leaf Blower. Keep your yard pristine with this powerful Husqvarna gas backpack leaf blower. Lightweight, ergonomic, and efficient, it makes leaf removal fast and easy. Perfect for homeowners with large properties, this blower delivers professional-level performance with minimal effort. Greenworks pressure washers. Clean your driveway deck or siding with ease. Compact, powerful, and easy to maneuver, they make outdoor cleaning simple. With adjustable pressure and durable design, these washers provide professional-level cleaning for any outdoor project. project. DEWALT 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Upgrade your workshop with this powerful DEWALT 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Perfect for precise crosscuts, bevels, and angle cuts, it features a 15-amp motor and smooth sliding action for professional results. DEWALT 20-volt MAX XR 4-tool combo kit. Get a complete tool kit with the DEWALT 20-volt MAX XR brushless 4-tool combo kit, including power stack compact battery, 5.0 AH battery, charger, and tool bag. These high-performance tools deliver power, efficiency, and durability for any project. Whether tackling woodworking, remodeling, or everyday fixes, this combo kit provides everything you need to get started or expand your collection. Craftsman 2000 series rolling tool cabinets. Keep your tools organized with the Craftsman 2000 series rolling tool cabinets, featuring multiple drawers, durable steel construction, and smooth rolling casters. These cabinets make workshop storage simple and efficient. Available in multiple sizes and styles, they provide a secure, mobile solution for both garage and professional shop environments. DEWALT Power Tools. Score a great deal on select DEWALT Power Tools, including the 20-volt MAX Cordless Reciprocating Saw and 6.5-inch circular saw. Both require durable construction, ergonomic designs, and reliable performance. Perfect for home improvement, DIY projects, or professional jobs, these tools deliver DEWALT quality at an unbeatable price. Kobalt 302-piece Mechanics Tool Set. Tackle every repair with a Kobalt 302-piece Mechanics Tool Set with wrenches, sockets, ratchets, and more. This set equips you for any home or automotive project. Built for durability and organized storage, these tools make work faster, easier, and more efficient. DEWALT 20-volt MAX Brushless Impact Driver or Drill. Choose between the DEWALT 20-volt MAX Brushless 1/4-inch impact driver or 1/2-inch keyless drill. Both tools are lightweight, powerful, and include a battery, charger, and soft bag for portability. Ideal for woodworking, construction, or home projects, these tools provide professional performance in a compact, convenient package. Craftsman V20 Drill or Impact Driver. Get a Craftsman V20 1/2-inch keyless cordless drill or 1/4-inch impact driver. Both tools include a battery and charger, delivering the perfect balance of power and portability. Compact and reliable, they're ideal for home DIY projects, repairs, and everyday tasks. Craftsman V20 6-tool combo kit with soft case. Equip your workshop with the Craftsman V20 6-tool combo kit. With 6 essential tools, batteries, charger, and a soft case, this kit is perfect for DIYers and pros alike. From drilling to driving, it delivers versatility, convenience, and dependable performance in a compact set. DEWALT XR 20-volt 7-tool site-ready combo kit. Get all the essential DEWALT tools in one 7-tool site-ready combo kit. Ideal for pros and serious DIYers, this set delivers maximum power, durability, and versatility. Includes batteries, charger, and a soft carry system so you can start any project immediately with professional-grade tools. Craftsman 30-piece screwdriver bit set. Complete your toolkit with this Craftsman 30-piece screwdriver bit set. Perfect for household repairs, assembly, and general maintenance. Compact and durable, it's easy to store and carry, making it a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. DEWALT 20-volt 4-pack lithium-ion batteries. Power up your tools with the DEWALT 20-volt 4-pack lithium-ion batteries. Designed for long-lasting runtime and fast charging, these batteries are compatible with a wide range of DEWALT 20-volt MAX tools. Ideal for professionals and DIYers alike, this set ensures you always have backup power on hand for continuous work with downtime. DEWALT 110-piece 4-case combo bit set. Get a complete set of screwdriver and drill bits with the DEWALT 110-piece combo bit set. Organized in 4 cases, it's easy to store and transport for all your projects. Perfect for home repairs, woodworking, and professional jobs. These durable bits are made to last and deliver consistent performance. DEWALT XR 20-volt MAX Brushless 1/2-inch drive cordless impact wrench. Tackle tough fastening jobs with the DEWALT XR 20-volt MAX Brushless 1/2-inch impact wrench. Brushless motor technology delivers longer runtime, higher efficiency, and extended tool life. Lightweight yet powerful, it's perfect for automotive, construction, or DIY projects that require precision torque. Craftsman V20 2-tool power tool combo kit with soft case. This Craftsman V20 2-tool combo kit includes a drill and impact driver with batteries, charger, and soft carrying case. Designed for convenience, performance, and portability. Perfect for any project around the house, garage, or workshop, these tools deliver reliable power and efficiency for daily tasks. And that's a wrap for the best Lowe's hardware and tool deals that you must own now to get the job done. Right here on Legit Pick. If you spotted a deal worth grabbing, hit that like button and drop a comment telling us what's going in your cart. These tools savings won't last long, so grab your favorites before they're gone. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more legit finds, deal drops, and buyer guides coming your way. Until next time, stay sharp, stay saving, and stay legit.